from the dream of bringing made in Italy and its prestige around the world for production that seeks an uncompromising level of quality, ILPRA Group was born. With a wide and versatile range of offerings and a catalogue of technologies, we excel in safeguarding the quality of your already esteemed products. The companies of the ILPRA Group have been actively worked in the food, cosmetics, and medical packaging sectors for years, fostering synergies among their respective technologies to become a single point of contact for your entire project. From dinester to palletizer, every company, large or small, requires access to high-quality packaging that reflects its dedication from production to consumption, from the factory to the shelf, from the farm to restaurants, planes, schools, ships, the universe and beyond, wherever your dream is. Wherever your aspiration lies, we were born to realize it, bridging the gap between dream and reality. We are taking you there. ILPRA Group, Total Packaging Solutions.